Morning skincare routine is the 70% of your whole skincare routine of the day. Having a set morning skincare routine is extremely important for achieving a healthy and glowing complexion. A regular routine can transform dull and tired-looking skin into a radiant and refreshed appearance. By incorporating a few simple steps, can be highly beneficial for any man seeking to improve their skin's health and appearance. 90% of the benefits can achieve from a pretty simple routine. You don't need to go through any extreme routine that online showed you. Step 1. First thing you need to do is a proper sleep. When you get less sleep, you affect your skin's pH levels, which lowers the moisture level and depletes your natural glow, and oversleeping can cause your skin cells to break down quickly and lead to dehydrated skin. Experts recommend between 7 to 9 hours of sleep every day. Step 2 is cleansing. Most people think that washing their face over and over is what achieves good skin, but the truth is opposite. After waking up from the sleep, wash your face gently with a cleanser using cold water. Next, use a serum. A water-based serum with a natural composition is better. Look for serum that contains elements like aloe veras and chamomile. Then, use moisturizer. Moisturizing every day can reduce the chance of developing extreme dryness or oiliness. When skin is moisturized, it also reflects light, making it instantly appear more glowing. Step 3 is sunscreen. Never forget to apply sunscreen when you're going out. It doesn't matter if it is summer, winter, or you work indoors. Applying sunscreen to your face, neck, chest, ears, hands, and arms daily is recommended to prevent long-term damage from the sun. Sunscreen helps prevent sunburn, skin cancer, and premature aging. Having a sunscreen that you apply every day is the best thing you do for your skin. Just make sure it offers broad-spectrum UVA and UVB protection, has an SPF of 30 or higher, and is water-resistant. Simply applying products to your skin won't give you a nice glowing face. You also need to maintain a strict, healthy diet. A diet high in sugar and processed foods can lead to inflammation, acne, breakouts, and premature aging of the skin. For skincare products, you can use these brands: